Hello guys, welcome to this new video on AI and machine learning. And in this video, we are going to do a direct comparison between PyTorch and TensorFlow for the models that we had created in the earlier video. So the data set that we chose was of a multi-class classifier data set. It had a training and validation folder, and each of them had three classes. So in this video, simply I'm going to reuse the same code, but we are going to check that which of this framework is able to process and compile the model in a faster time. So I have the code pre-written here, and up till the point all the pre-processing is done. So we are directly going to run this piece of code where the training actually starts, and I have put the start time equal to time dot time, and we have the end time, and which will just print the total time required to start the training. We have V100 GPU RAM connected here. These are the resources that are available for this RAM. So if you just click on this and view resources, you can see the resource part of it. So this is the Collab Pro available GPU, available compute units, and this is the system RAM available for the same, the disk, the GPU RAM available for the same. So this is the resources that you get with V100 GPU. All right, so let's run this piece of code and let's see how much time it takes. The number of epochs that I have kept here is equal to 25. We will be keeping the same number of epochs even in the TensorFlow part. So let me just quickly check the TensorFlow code also. Yeah, it is the same here. So let us, till the time this trains, let me do the start time and time thing. All right, so the training is complete and it took around 272 seconds. So if we divide it by minutes, 272 divided by 60, around 4.5 minutes it took. Okay, so what we can do now is that we can disconnect this, and we can go towards the TensorFlow part. And now we will be running the TensorFlow thing to check like how much time does this thing take. So now we will do the same for TensorFlow, and this is the code for TensorFlow. So I have not imported the time here. Let me just import the time module first. All right. So we will start the training now, and let's see how much time does TensorFlow take to run this piece of code for 25 epochs, just like PyTorch. So we have completed the training here, and the total time it took to complete for 25 epochs TensorFlow was 954 seconds. So let me convert this to minute. 954 divided by 60. That is approximately 15 or 16 minutes, and the time that we took for PyTorch was around 4.5 minutes. So we have a clear winner here. That PyTorch is very well, the training with PyTorch is pretty quicker than TensorFlow and Keras. So I hope that this video added some value to your AI journey. If you have any doubts, feel free to write in the comment section below. If you like my work, please do hit the like, share, and subscribe button.